Welcome to Study Loop.
On this problem, our domain is all real numbers, and we want to determine the truth value of each of the following statements. Now, in A, we have there exists an x such that x squared is equal to 2. So in other words, there is a real number such that x squared is 2. And that is true. Okay, there is a real number that if you square it gives you 2, namely root 2. On B, we have there exists an x such that x squared is negative 1. And that is false. There is no real number if you square it will give you negative 1, so that is not true. On C, we have for all x squared plus 2 is greater than or equal to 1. And that is true. If you take any real number, square it, and add 2, that's larger than or equal to 1. And so that is true. And on D, we have for all x squared does not equal x. And that's not true. Okay, this is false. And all we need to do is present a counter example here. Namely, x is 1. If you square x, it gives you 1, and clearly x is a real number. And so here's our truth value of these statements.